What's up everybody, welcome to another episode of the greatest vlog in the world. My name is Jeff, your favorite tour guide in Madeira, and in today's video we are going to be exploring a little bit of NUN'S Valley and answering your questions. Yes, I've been caught a little bit off guard and I have something to make up this week in today's video, so we're going to try and give you some value. I'm going to be responding to some questions and comments on our YouTube channel and trying to keep you a little bit up to date about what's going on, entertaining you around NUN'S Valley, and hopefully I can bring some value to you when you are coming here to Madeira. So without any further ado, let's get right into the action. In today's video, we're going to be eating something because we don't know what else to do. All right, so we've got a nice big plan for you guys for the future, but in today's video, we had no idea. So I'm going to be going through some comments. I'm going to be going through some questions. I'm going to try and give you guys some input on some of the things I see online. Maybe I can give you some value here and I can tell you what's going on and what's the, you know, like what Madeira looks like at the moment. At the same time, we're going to be eating a lovely espetada, chicken, and was it the pork espetada? Eh? There was a pork espetada, and we're obviously going to be showing you where we are, and all of that stuff. So yeah, let's dig in. Don't go away. It should be great. By the way, this pork is actually carne vinho pork vinho pork, wine and garlic. I noticed when I tasted, and obviously I'd already forgotten when I ordered it. You know, we got some local wine, we got some salads, some potatoes and things like that, and it kind of feels a little bit like a Sunday, which is good. You have to be grateful for everything we have, right?
Exactly, man.
So,
can't complain.
Cheers to Sunday on a Tuesday. Fantastic little lunch here in Cuchal, in NUN'S Valley, and I'm going to show you a little bit of that soon enough. But we're having some mic difficulties, right? So I'm sorry. People get really mad when you're having mic difficulties. Like, oh my God, why? So we're gonna try and speak as much as we can here so we can show you things out there. But I thought it would be nice to check some of the old comments. It hasn't been too long. It's been a couple of days since I haven't commented on what you guys comment on our channel. And I thought I could go through, you know, a couple of these and basically just answer some questions. Kicking off with the Seer, did I say Seer? I'm so sorry guys. The Seer Realty group that was with us doing a real estate team building tour. This is the Seer Realty in Funchal, our good friends who we deal with in property and things like that. And I haven't been making videos about this kind of stuff because it's not really something that I want to be so much involved in. I'd rather say if you're coming out here, then you can get in touch with some of these guys, although I can help if you need to. But they commented, yeah, Freiras dia maravilhoso em equipa, which could we try? Yeah, translated. There it goes. Remember this wonderful day as a team. It was a beautiful day as a team to all the guys at Ser. We went out on a Jeep safari and did some barbecue. It's on the channel. Really cool. Getting some insights onto real estate in Madeira. So if you're interested in that, you can check it out. Here I translated one by mistake from BHP Mad. It's obviously a local. Cascata dos Anjos, o pessoal não aprende, only if you have a death wish. The braces are, you know, I'm still embracing the braces. And yes, Cascata dos Anjos is dangerous, and yeah, they obviously got it from the joke from last week's video. Cascata dos Anjos, the 99th best attraction in Madeira. My first time in Madeira with my on the 8th until the 15th of April. Really starting to get excited, hoping to do lots of hiking. Yes, on the 18th of April, you might be able to already book with us at the Big Walk, our new hiking expedition brand of Hit the Road Tours. I'm very excited. If you've watched last week's video, you know we're starting hiking tours in Madeira, and that's coming up real soon. And by the time you watch this video, should already be on our Patreon account. So sign up for free on Patreon if you want to go hiking with us. Limited spaces, of course. Moving on, we don't want to blab. Very good. However, that Francinha That francesinha would have been better. Prego, bolo no caco. For a better result, keep up the good work. Thank you, Mr. or Mrs. Peter. I'm sorry I can't see you right now. I will reply to all of you guys as well anyway. But yes, the bolo do caco prego is also really good. But sometimes you just have to have a francesinha.
Outside of Porto.
Outside of Porto, yeah, you're only going to eat francesinha when you...
That is not the proper way.
No. We like having francesinhas in general, okay? That's why the Porto people created them, because the whole world loves them. So yes, you can get some great francesinhas in Madeira as well, and that seems to be the one on the video of the hiking tips, which was in Ponta do Sol, on the outside the first tunnel. Okay, if you're not paying, that's what you're going to get. It's the place outside the first tunnel. Zingasket, unshit yourself. Some tasting notes would have been great to include on how to buy Madeira wine. Mr. Error 99,000, yes, 100% error on my side. Unfortunately, I'm not very good with any kind of notes that are not musical notes, and some people would tell me that I'm even not that good at those notes either. So I wish I was the kind of person who could taste all the notes inside the wine. Unfortunately, I just, my favorite wine is an open one, basically. But anyway, hello, I've just been to Levada dos Torrens from Boa Ventura, and along Levada there were large eucalyptus trees that have their trunks cut out of them. You do not know what it means and why it's done? Is that a statement, or are you asking me if I know? You don't know. Thank you for the answer. Appreciate your tracker from the Czech Republic. You're tracking me? Thanks, buddy. What they're trying to do, from what I can understand, is to kill the eucalyptus plants, because the Boa Ventura forest is one of the best and most well-preserved forests that we have in Madeira. So I can almost, with 100% certainty, say that they're trying to clean out the eucalyptus, which is very difficult to do. You've got to do from the roots, with nails and cutting and all these kinds of things. It's very difficult. Hey Jeff, is it safe to wear an expensive watch on the streets in Funchal? Yes, as long as you don't tell everybody that you're wearing an expensive watch while you're walking around in Funchal. Right, Funchal is very, very safe, I'd like to think, and but just don't be obvious about it. Be like,
is that a Rolex?
Yeah.
Can I see?
Rue, thank you, Rue, already, because Rue is one of our finest viewers, and I'm very happy to have Rue over. Rue, I can't wait to see you in April. Is it April? I think it's April. Thanks, Jeff and Andrea. I hope I didn't kill you too much to share those secrets. Have a great weekend. Kills me every single time, Rue, and I'm going to do some today for everyone watching. If they're not already too pissed off about all the talking that I've been doing. Time Traveler 2060 says, awesome video, Jeff. Hope it's all well. Hope all is well with everyone. Thank you. Yes, we're great. I hope all is well with you, Time Traveler. Jeff Boyke. Oh, here we go. South African, eh? South Africa. Jeff Boyke, you're such a simple yet incredibly effective video, dude. The Patreon giveaway idea is brilliant, guy. I'm loving this progressively upward journey that your company is on. Like Johnny Walker, bro. Keep striding ahead. Yeah, I like it. It's that South African passion, eh? Really looking forward to seeing and hearing the massive announcement coming up. Your videos keep my hope alive of making it back to Madeira someday. Thanks to you and your team for the great content you clearly work so hard on creating. I want to guess Frankie, but I don't know. You got a bit of a heavy name there as well, bro. So for my South African brother, thank you very much. And yes, we are working hard on creating, except maybe today we're just having some coffee and talking shit. Nicolette, thank you for the video. We're planning on going in September. Is the weather still good enough to swim? Yes, Nicolette, it is fantastic to swim in September. When I arrived in Madeira in December of 2009, I was swimming the first 2 weeks of December every day. So yes, you can swim in September 100%. Hey Jeff, booked one of your tours in August, which we were looking forward to. It was great to see Quinta Grande in this video, plus the restaurant that I'm familiar with too. Yes, Quinta Grande, one of my favorite places. I'm quite often in Quinta Grande, and that place up there is fantastic. They gave me more brownies after the video I made. Company called Be a Brownie. Andrea, let's put the Be a Brownie. Thank you for the brownies. Mr. Rugby Prop, we were there in 2022 to visit the town my wife's people are from. Expensive and the people lack Portuguese charm. That's a rough one there, Mr. Rugby Prop. I would agree to disagree on that sense. I'm very sorry that you had some sort of bad experience with it being expensive. There are expensive places, just like everywhere in the world. And I don't think that Madeira is lacking Portuguese charm, but who knows, right? Maybe it's not that Lisbon charm that people are thinking. If you're looking for this sophisticated Portuguese charm, then maybe you can only get that in the capital. I don't know. Right, we can figure it out. And then Curaçao, Mr. Alcino, thanks for the sunglasses. I will reply to you later. Then the other one is from 3 months ago about someone trying to hunt me down during a live stream. So don't answer those comments. I need another coffee.
You need another coffee. Do you want to send a little special kiss to someone?
A little kiss to my wife. Love you, babe. Oh, já estou aí todo Freiras hoje. She gave me a little ginger. This is a cherry liqueur from NUN'S VALLEY. The things we do for the vlog, right?
Oh, it's such a hard word.
When you're in NUN'S VALLEY, make sure to try the chestnut liqueur, right? This is what they do here. This is what people here are from. Chestnut or cherry, you know, all sorts of flavors. There's liqueurs, there's cakes, there's all sorts of stuff with this one. Well, let's see. No, I was too busy working, I can't. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm asleep now. So I did miss one comment over here. Really enjoying these historical episodes. Great vid from Flo the Staffy. Flo, thank you. And yes, we've got more historical videos coming. So we've got another video just like that one we did in Mexico, but we're going to do Come Out of the Lobos this time, which will be super cool with Lisa. So we're going to be digging up some history and some interesting things about Come Out of the Lobos, things that I don't know. So we're going to sit down with Lisa and figure that out. Anyway, we're going to enjoy our little place. What is the name of the restaurant? Do we know? Antiguidades Olagada. For you guys who want to come here, there is a link in the video and you can find this place. Great chicken, great barbecue, espetada, and you know, all the local things that we love. And yeah, we're gonna head out, we're gonna have a coffee, we're gonna head out. Enough yapping, let's go. Dealing with about 9 square meters of natural isolated, I can't do it.
Nah, come on.
We gotta get the sir guys, yeah, you know, so they can be like pitching this like, you know, but no. I'm sorry, we'll be out of your hair in a second. You see here, Oscar? Check it out. This is all carved out and all these different things, and they say that this is where they were like, you know, processing food and all sorts of stuff. Yeah, like wheat and barley and like hitting it, or I don't know. I can't remember, to be honest. I really can't remember what it was, but apparently here there's signs of life before Portuguese people. Could have been the Guanches that apparently made their way here as slaves and then ran away into the mountains and found ways to live. So there's a couple of these little caves here in this like super secret spot. So this I can show you. I can. It's got a sign even, you know. I can show you things that have signs, right? Nice little picnic. Actually, this does look new. I brought Elisa here on a date a really long time ago. Like over there, that's Eira do Cerrado, that's where we're going next. So Eira do Cerrado, we got Paradão up here somewhere. So if you want to drive to NUN'S VALLEY and you want to see everything that NUN'S VALLEY has to offer you, then you want to take the road that goes from Funchal to Eira do Cerrado, which is where we're going next. Usually, if this was a tour or if I was showing some friends around, I would come first to Eira do Cerrado to see the view of NUN'S VALLEY from above, and then I would head back and take the tunnel in to Nuns Valley. So today we did it the other way around. But if you're going to be doing this all on your own, then you want to come out to Eira do Cerrado. You want to be careful on the road. Here's a perfect example. There's some trucks on the road, on a very narrow road. Buses, sorry. But you can see the corner. Look, there's the car stopped over there because yes, there's not enough space for both of you at the same time. So you have to be a good driver to drive in Madeira, and you have to be a considerate driver. You know, just because you've got your lane doesn't mean that you have right of way and that you kind of, you know, sometimes you have to stop and let the buses turn. You have to kind of see that shape, or back up, right? Can you see the road?
Yep.
On the side of the mountain? For some, it can be scary. And then it just edges off there and goes, that's the old road down. The old road down used to be pretty crazy. I've got very few memories of taking that road with my parents, you know, in that the generation of hard knocks, you know, the last great generation. Let's go and see the view. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. It certainly felt like I've taken a weight off of my shoulder. You can imagine that doing this every single week, we really want to try and bring as much value as possible to you guys. And I promise you that we got some great things coming to this channel. We got the Lemon Festival lined up, the Rum Festival. We got some historical vlogs coming out. We got the Star Wars vlog coming out. So we got lots of great stuff coming. So don't go away, like and subscribe, stick around guys. If you're coming to Madeira, book your tour before it all gets sold out. And I'll see you in next week's video. Oscar?
Let's hit the road, man.
Let's hit the road.
Hold on.